So I'm looking for a second spot, and this place looks like a promising place. It's under a very large bridge, and there are like trolleys standing here. So I'm thinking there might be something here that we can find. Let's go. Whoa, so the first catch, we've got a, not too sure what this is, but it looks kind of new, so I'm hoping there will be a bunch of other stuff as well. I'll cast it aside for here for now. Let's see. I've got two more. Well, I'm not sure what this is, but we've got another one of the same item as before. We'll throw it aside as well. I don't know if you can see, but there are a bunch of bolts and metal stuff, or metal things down here. Whoa, check this out. I've got a bunch more. It's all the same as the previous items. Yeah. I'll cast these aside as well. I've got a metal ring with a well, I'm not sure what this is. Yeah. And then more of these as well. If anyone knows what these are, please tell me. Yeah, and another one of these. So yeah, let's throw it in again. And we've got more of these as well. Yeah. So more of these black things. We've got another ring as well. And another another one. And another black ring. Yeah. Okay. And again, it's the same thing. Wow. Well, another black, two more black things. One more of these. Not sure what this is. And another ring. Let's see here. Well, who could have guessed? We've got another ring, two more rings, and another one of the whatever these are. Yeah, I'm just casting them aside for now. We'll pick them up later and throw them in the trash. We've got another one of these. Wow, who could have thought? Let's see here. Opa! Check this out. We've got a bunch of more of the same items. The magnet is full of them. So yeah, I'll take them off. Let's see here. And it's full of the same stuff again. How nice. Okay, so it looks like, because there's a bunch of stuff down here, but it only looks like the black things are coming up. I'm not sure why, but I'll try to fish out as much as I can. Yeah. Okay, so I'll throw it in again. A bunch of rings this time. Yeah. A bunch of rings. And more of these black things. Okay. Another black thing. Great. More of these black things. Yeah. Well, more rings, of course, and another black one. I don't know if you can see, but there is a bunch of like shiny stuff under the water. So this is what we've caught so far, quite a lot. But then if you look down there, everything is like, it's very shiny, but I'm not sure why it's not coming up. So yes, I'm picking up all of the stuff on the ground. There's a lot of it, and it's all the same. We finally made it to the recycle center, where we're gonna recycle the stuff that we found. Let's go. So we made it to the car, and this is going to be it for the video. And I'll see you in the next one.